So now we are discussing about properties of rational numbers. So already we learn properties in 7th class. So already closure property, commutative property, associative property in 7th class also is there. So for rational number, how the properties are, now we are discussing. So first one is closure property. This closure property is applicable to arithmetic operation. What are the arithmetic operations? What is arithmetic operations? So 4 types of arithmetic operations are there. So what are that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now let's check that 4 ones. So closure property is for all a comma b belongs to Q. It means, first suppose this is the formula for closure property, okay? For all a comma b belongs to Q. It means, first suppose a value b value belongs to Q. Q means rational numbers, no? So a and b belongs to Q. It means the two numbers are rational numbers, okay? So this is the formula. Every arithmetic operation there. For addition, a plus b belongs to Q. For subtraction, a minus b belongs to Q. For multiplication, a into b belongs to Q. And division, a divided by b belongs to Q. So if any two irrational numbers are given that operation, it means addition, subtraction, depending on the operation. So it is satisfied, means the sum or the difference and division. So that answer should be another rational number. Okay. So just see once addition first. Addition under subtraction, okay, under addition and under subtraction and under multiplication, under division, okay, under subtraction and under multiplication. And division, okay, under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication and under division. So this closure property, first under addition. So what is the formula for under addition? For all. So this symbol belongs to for all. It means all the numbers. For all a comma b. For all a comma b belongs to Q if a plus b belongs to Q. So first suppose a and b are the rational number. If we add a plus b, the whole sum is also a rational number. Understood? So under subtraction, what is the formula for this? A minus b belongs to Q. Okay? So if we subtract, the solution also will be a rational number. And under multiplication, a into b belongs to Q. A into b belongs to Q. Q for rational number. Okay. A divided by b belongs to Q. Is also an rational number. The answer should be a rational number. So take an example. Let us prove. Okay. So I am taking a as 2 by 3, okay, and b as 1 by 2, okay. So just go through this. A plus b, a value is 2 by 3 and b value is 1 by 2. So now see this. So how to add this fraction numbers? Just like this. already we discussed this type of fractions are given. How to solve that? First we have to equal this denominators, then add the numerator. So here is the 3 and here is the 2. So first we have to equal this to denominator. So I am multiplying this here 2 and 3. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Okay. So here 3 2s are. We are multiplying 2 here now. So same number as same number also numerator. Okay. And 1 by 2. So 3 into 2 6. So 2 into which number we have to multiply? 3. 2 3 is 6. Okay. And we are multiplying 3. Numerator also same number 3. Okay. If we cancel this 2 remaining should be same. 3 cancel, 1 by 2 1 by 2. 2 cancel, 2 by 3 2 by 2. Okay. So you have to equal the denominators first, then add. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So now see which these two numbers are equal. Now we are adding the numerator, only numerator, not a denominator. Why? Because we are already equal this denominator. So just add the numerator. Okay. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 6. So yes, 7 by 6 is also a rational number. So closure property is under addition is satisfied. Closed under addition. Closed under addition. Okay. This property is closed under addition. Okay. And then move on to the next one, subtraction. So I am taking another examples here. 3 by 7 and b is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. 4 by 3. Just do the operation a minus b. First we have to do this. No. A minus b. A means 3 by 7 and b means 4 by 3. So just look at this. So here for this addition we are equaling denominator. So for subtraction also we have to equal the denominators. Okay. So here is the 7 and here is the 3. So we have to equal the denominators first. Already we discussed previous classes how to equal the denominators up to 5th class. Okay. And see 7 and 3 is there. 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21. Both are equal now. So just go through that. 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21 and same number 3 here also. 4 by 3. 7 3 7s are 21. 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21. Here we are taking 7, here also 7. Okay, clear? So 3 3s are 9. 7 3s are 21 minus 4 7s are 28 by 3 7s are 21. Okay. So let's see, the denominators are equal here. So we have to subtract the numerators. 9 minus 28 by 21. 9 minus 28 by 21. So look at the numbers first. Leave this symbol. So 9, 28. Which is the bigger one in this? 28 is, of course 28 is the bigger one. So subtract 9 from this to 28. What is the answer? What is the answer? 19 is the answer. So 19. For this number, which symbol is there here, friend? Minus. So minus 19 by 21. Is this rational number? Yes, this is a rational number. So under subtraction also, closed under subtraction. This property is under closed subtraction also. Okay, this is also satisfied. Okay. And next one is multiplication. Next one is multiplication. The formula for under addition a plus b belongs to q. For all a comma b belongs to q, and if a plus b belongs to q, under addition is closed under addition, and under subtraction. So for all a comma b belongs to q, a minus b belongs to q. So if we subtract these two numbers, the answer should be a rational number. Okay, the answer should be a rational number. Okay, clear. I move on to the next one. So a into b, I am taking a as 4 by 8. Okay, 4 by 8. 4. Let's take. We are taking another number. Okay, 2 by 3, b equal to 7 by 4. Okay, b a equal to 2 by 3, b is equal to 7 by 4. So the operation is a into b. A into b means 2 by 3 into 7 by 4. For this subtraction, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Okay, clear? So it means 2 into 7 by 3 into 4. Okay, 2 into 7, 3 into 4. 2 into 7, 2 sevens are 14. And 3 fours are 12. Is 14 by 12 is a rational number? Yes. So a into b belongs to q. So closed under multiplication. This property is closed under multiplication. This property closed under multiplication. Okay. And next is division. So a is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. B is equal to 3 by 2. I am taking a is equal to 7, b is equal to 2. Okay. So a divided by b. A divided by b. A is 7 divided by 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means, so here the number will, this number we are taking divided by 2 by 3, no? So we want to here, so the fraction should be reciprocal. The fraction should be reciprocal. What is that? 7 into 3 by 2. 7 3s are 21. 21 by 2. 21 by 2. So this operation also satisfied. 21 by 2 is also a rational number. So this property is closed under division also. Closed under division also. And next move on to the next property. So under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication and under division. So just revise the property, closure property. The formula is for all a comma b belongs to q. So separating the operation, for under addition, for all a comma b belongs to q, a plus b belongs to q. Under addition, for all a comma b belongs to q, a minus b belongs to q. Under multiplication, for all a comma b belongs to q, a into b belongs to q. Q for rational number. Okay. So next under division, for all a comma b belongs to q, a divided by b belongs to q. Okay. So properties of rational numbers already we discussed about closure property, and the second one is commutative property. The second one is commutative property. So this commutative already in 7th class this whole the properties are there. Just we recall the properties under 4 operation. What are that 4 operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So take the 4 operation and addition, under addition, commutative property under addition, subtraction. This property is applicable or not? We are checking now. So subtraction, multiplication, under division. Okay, under multiplication and division, under subtraction, under multiplication and under division. So under division, what is the formula for under division commutative property? So A plus B. If A plus B equal to B plus A. Just reversing this digits only. So this answer and this answer should be equal. For numbers is commutative. Okay. So check it once. So I am taking A as 2 by 3 and B as 7 by 2. Okay. Okay. So A plus B. A plus B. 2 by 3 and 7 by 2. So what we have to do? We have to equal the denominators first. So I am taking 2 here. Why? Because 3 into 2 6. 2 into 3 6. Yes or no? So same number also numerator. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6. So now see, denominators are equal. 4 plus 21 by 6. 4 plus 21 by 6. The answer is 25 by 6. 25 by 6. Okay. And next, B plus E. What is B? 7 by 2. And A? 2 by 3. Same. Here we have to multiply 3 and here we have to multiply 2. 2 and here 3. 7 3 is 21. 2 3 is 6 plus 2 2 is 4. 3 2 is 6. So 21 plus 4 whole by 6. So denominators are equal. We have to add the numerators. 21 plus 4, 25 by 6. So just see the answer. A plus B answer is 25 by 6 and B plus A answer is also 25 by 6. So these set of numbers commutate this set of numbers. So addition is commutative to this set of rational number. Addition is commutative to this set of rational numbers. Why? Because this A plus B and B plus A is same answer. The formula is here A plus B and B plus A. If is equal, the set of this is a rational number. So addition is commutative to set of rational number. So next, subtraction. Subtraction formula is A minus B equal to B minus C. Okay, same but symbols. Under addition plus, under multiplication minus, under subtraction minus, under multiplication into, and under division, divisions divided symbol. Okay, so A 5 and B 4. I am taking A 5, B 4. Okay. So first this one LHS, RHS. You have to equal the LHS and RHS. Okay. So A minus B, LHS, RHS. So A 5 minus 4. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Now check to that one. A minus B. Sorry, B minus A. B 4 and A minus 5. So what is the answer? Minus 1 is the answer. Yes, minus 1 is the answer. So let's equal to RHS. Here plus 1 is there, here minus 1 is there. So LHS not equal to RHS. It means A minus B not equal to B minus A. A minus B not equal to B minus A. So this subtraction is not commutative to the set of rational numbers. So here is not equal. So that's why this subtraction is not commutative to whole set of rational numbers. Understood? So move on to the multiplication now. So formula is A into B equal to B into A. A into B equal to B into A. So I am taking A as 2 by 3 and B as 1 by 2. Okay. So A into B. A into B 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So what is the answer? 2 into 1 by 3 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. Yes. And B into A. LHS and RHS should be equal. Okay. So B 1 by 2, A 2 by 3. So 1 into 2, 2 into 3. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So LHS is equal to RHS of course. So A into B equal to B into A. A into B equal to B into A. So this multiplication is commutative to all the set of rational numbers. Okay, clear? And next, division. So what is the division formula? A into A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Okay, A divided by B equal to B divided by A. So I am taking A as 5 and B as 3. Okay. So first LHS and RHS then. Okay. A divided by B. A is 5 divided by 3. It means 5 by 3. Yes? 5 by 3. Of course. And next B divided by A. B is 3 and divided by A is 5. It means 3 by 5. So is this equal? These two fractions are equal. First one is 5 by 3 and second next one is 3 by 5. Is the two fractions are equal? No. So A divided by B not equal to B divided by A. For this, division is not commutative to all the set of rational numbers. Okay. This division is not commutative to all the set of rational numbers. So this is the commutative property under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication and under division. So and then we move on to the next property.